Hey everyone, my name is Priyanka Sagu. I will be hosting the first APEC friendly release team meeting for 1.27 release cycle today. We are in the week 7th of the 1.27 release cycle, and yep, this meeting goes by the CNCF code of conduct, which pretty much means be respectful and nice to each other. Um, in today's meeting, I just have Brad with me on the call. So for the sake of recording today, I will go through the updates from Wednesday. Um, since I don't see any more updates from today, so we can start with that. Before I go ahead reading the team updates, just for record, we'll be having our first mid-cycle retrospective on March 1, which is, I believe, next week. So if you have any comments, any retrospective feedback, feel free to add them to the 1.27 retrospective doc linked in the document. With that, I will go through the team updates quickly. So first is enhancements. It looks like they're green. We are past the enhancements freeze, so there is not much activity from the enhancements perspective going on in the release cycle. So we have the same numbers right now. Um, I'll go next to CI signal. It looks like from Wednesday's update, we had one failing and three flaky master informing jobs and five flaky, zero failing master blocking jobs. So I'll just go quickly and check what's the state as of today on the master informing. Oh, okay. Um, it looks like we have more flaky right now. So I believe the team would be looking at that, but looks like as of now we have more than three flaky. And similarly, I'll just check for master blocking as well. Um, we have eight flaky and rest are passing. So I'll just put the numbers here. Oh, I'm putting them in the wrong place. So I'll just put them here. Okay. And we do not have any failings, so that's a good thing. Um, moving forward to bug triage, um, looks like their status was also green. They have mentioned there were seven open known test flake Kubernetes issues for 127, and there are seven more priority important zone issues as well. Um, Same, there are 33 KKPRs open for 127 at that point of time, and there are 22 priority important zone PRs as well. So I believe the number might have changed at this point. Um, Let me just quickly click on them. Okay, so we have seven open issues, and yep, so that's same, and we have one more here, so uh, that's good. It would be 7 and 34. Cool. Um, Next is docs. So from this week's update, the docs team is working on refreshing the 127 docs branch. And we just had passed through the enhancements freeze deadline, so the docs team will start looking at up- um, the enhancements that made into the cycle. So that's the current status from docs team. Moving next to release notes. The PR related to release note of version 127 alpha 2 cut is merged, and yeah, that's the current update from release notes. Um, Going next to comms, they are following up with the community for opt-in feature blogs, um, and the shadows are helping with the same. They are assigned to specific SIGs to reach out for feature blog requests, and the team had started a thread which is linked in the document in SIG release channel for stuff related to the need and content of the mid-cycle blog. So if folks want to help the comms team with the mid-cycle release blog or feature blogs, feel free to jump in on this thread. Moving next to release branch management with Grace. So the next Tuesday, which is next week's Tuesday from now, we have the upcoming release cut. Um, and the team had removed rendered throne from Grell. That's an effort to improve the next release process. So looks like there was some hiccups in the previous cut. From James, our emeritus advisor, the same as the update. We'll be having our first mid-cycle retro meeting for the next week, which is March of 1st. So just an update, and the announcements and docs will get the announcements pretty soon now from James. From release lead updates, there is no other update other than this meeting, so which we are already part of, and six scalability, they are green. With that, we're done going through the updates for today, and since we do not have anything else, I will stop the recording. Thank you. Hey, Drew.